Here's something that most of us don't even have to think about or consider, and that is digging a well. Doesn't look like much now, but eventually they'll scoop their way down using this two-man tool to pull out enough soil to drive a wide PVC pipe down, protecting the water pump and its build as it's lowered down. But first, the truly hard part, and that's the digging. You can see that scoop only brings up so much at a time. So now a larger scooping head is used and driven down to break up that soil and slowly have it wedged up inside. Then they can pull it and scoop it all out. And the deeper they go, the more lead room they'll need with those pipes, so more is added. And at a certain depth, you can see it goes from fairly dry surface dirt to total muck. Another extension added, and further down they go. A pretty neat process for adding those additional lengths. The pipe grabbed with a couple of wrenches rested on some boards that hold it like a pair of arms. In the meantime, it can be worked on. An extension added. Nonetheless, exhausting work. Will this be the extension, the one that finally breaks through? And that extension just keeps on coming. You can see, grab now with that cool technique. That top section of pipes now removed. On to the next section. Moving in manageable bits. And now a test to see what was pulled up. A lot more water in this one. A very good sign. The next one up and down, even cleaner. Until it's for sure, and then in goes the PVC pipe. A protective layer that should safely house the water pump and all of its hose. A little glue around the join, and it's lowered the rest of the way down. Not too much of it needs to be sticking out above ground, obviously, so it's cut to size. And then in goes the covering and the leads for the water pump.